If your rocket engine comes from a printer, you're not living in sci-fi. You're witnessing the reality of Agnibaan SOrTeD. In the heart of Chennai, a groundbreaking event unfolded as Agnikul Cosmos launched Agnibaan SOrTeD, India's second privately built rocket. This isn't just any launch, it's a series of firsts that could reshape the future of space travel. From its own launch pad at the Satish Dhawan Space Center, this rocket is the first to boast a semi-cryogenic engine and a 3D printed engine that's designed and built entirely in-house. What does this mean? Faster assembly, lower costs, and a giant leap towards sustainable space exploration. This milestone not only pushes the boundaries of Indian space technology, but also marks a significant shift globally. As we look towards a future where space is more accessible, the innovations by Agnikul Cosmos suggest that the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Join us in celebrating this monumental achievement.